Hello everyone, my name is Akaya. I just wanted to do a update. It's probably been about maybe 3, 4 years that I made an update on this. Everybody keep on asking me about this. And I always keep on getting a bunch of comments with people telling me I should have did this, I should have did that. Guys, when I say my these tiles are doing perfect. I don't have a bunch of grass or anything growing in between them. I don't have any problems with them at all. And it's been raining, it's snow here, it do all kind of stuff, guys. So if you're thinking about purchasing some of these tiles, you should try it. I like to always give people a disclosure. Everybody is different, but I have not had no problems. You guys know I used to have my swing on it, but I actually sold my swing. I'm about to get me a swing that got a bed. It's like a hammock slash swing, and I love it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So y'all stay tuned for me to show y'all what I get. I also want to show you guys, look, I wind up getting me a really nice hard top pavilion, gazebo, whatever you want to call it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at my pup. But again, just want to give you guys a update. It's going well. It's going perfect. I had so many naysayers in the comments. Guys, it's going really, really good. And what else was? It was something else that somebody asked me. I think that might have been it. But don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Comment below, guys, if you've seen the video that I'm talking about. And I will include the video that I'm talking about. When I say, guys, if you have like a area in your backyard that has mud or grass won't grow, try it. Purchase two of these, and I put the tiles in the video description box. I got it from Amazon. Okay. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, guys. Bye.